Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by cleaning your lips thoroughly so the mask can adhere and work evenly. Once done, remove any product residue and pat dry. Do not rub. Next, chill the Zudio Down Lip Mask in the fridge 10 to 15 minutes, cold, not frozen, so it's soothing but safe. Make sure to perform a quick patch test for sensitivity on your inner wrist for 30 seconds. If irritation appears, stop and consult guidance. Now position the mask for application. You'll align the mask precisely to your natural lip line and press it into place, smoothing from center outward to eliminate air pockets. Once applied, remain still and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes so the cooling agents and moisturizing serum absorb evenly into the skin. If an edge lifts, press gently to reseal. Avoid talking, eating, or exaggerated mouth movements during this time. When time's up, remove slowly to prevent tugging, and you'll finish by massaging any residual serum into your lips and nearby skin. This boosts hydration and helps the benefits last longer. Once done, seal the treatment with a thin layer of balm and avoid exfoliants or strong acids for at least 24 hours to prevent irritation. If you experience burning, excessive redness, or swelling, immediately rinse with cool water and stop using the product. Seek medical advice if symptoms persist. For patchy application, lightly reapply a pea-size amount of serum.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.